ContentReel26. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use ContentReel26 to create tons of social media videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, for your Facebook, even for other different platforms, and dominate those platforms by creating mass videos using AI without doing any extra work, without doing any creative writing, creative editing, or any additional tasks. Now, to get started, you want to click on Create Campaigns and give it a name. So let's say we want to create a video about weight loss. So I'm going to give it weight loss 2 because I already created a campaign similar. Let's click Next. Now here you can create, so you created a campaign. Now inside a campaign you can create multiple video sets. So you can create weight loss video for Facebook Reel, then you can create weight loss videos for Instagram and all different platforms for TikTok, whatever you pick. So let's give this set called Instagram. Then the keyword would be weight loss, because we want to create videos about weight loss. Now these can be inspirational video, educational, professional, casual, humorous, any kind of video. You can have a custom option as well. So let's do educational. And let's say we want to create 3 videos. You can create up to 20 videos per video set. Now, we select the country we want to create these videos, the scripts targeting United States audience. Now, if you select Egypt or Germany or Brazil, the script will be created keeping in mind what kind of hooks and trends work best for the audience in that specific country. Here you can select different languages. We support a lot of different languages, so you can pick whatever language that you want. And here you can select the format. So we're going to be creating for Instagram Reels. Now I can add a talking head. I can upload my own picture and it will be added as a talking head. And I can select how much of that video will have my talking head, 10, 25, or 50%. I can also add my own call to action. I can put my affiliate link or my website link here, and this link will be added on all the videos in the bottom center, and you can move it around as well when we edit it. You can use 11 Labs to clone your own voices, or you can use tons of different voices, genders, and accents that we have for your videos, right? Next, you can also automatically schedule all these videos. So you can manually schedule these videos to be published on a specific Instagram, TikTok account, whichever Facebook account you want to use. Or you can have AI find the best time daily or weekly or monthly where you will get the most view to schedule and publish these videos, right? And click on submit. Now once we do that, the AI and the app goes into work and starts creating the script, start putting together the video, and everything is done. So all the heavy lifting is now happening in the background. You don't really have to do anything. And as soon as the scripts are ready, we can convert those scripts into video with one click. And once the videos are ready, you can modify, edit if you want. You have full control over it, and then hit the render and the video will be rendered and scheduled. You can also create your own characters here by clicking on create character and click on generate character, or you can convert yourself into a character as well. So what you can do is you can upload your own picture, give it a name, and you can select whatever voice you want and confirm this, click on generate character, and it will convert you into a character that can be used in all those videos as a talking head or as somebody who would be featuring themselves in the video. So you can literally have yourself walking, talking, moving around, picking up product and showing up on those videos using AI. And this is incredibly powerful. So once the character is generated, you can go ahead and modify it, edit it, face switch it, and then AI will start using that character in the campaign. Now, here's the campaign that we created. So if we go inside the campaign, we can see our video set, which is the weight loss 2 video set, Instagram Reels. So if I click on this, I can see all the videos that I picked. So I created 3 videos. Now the scripts are generated. All I need to do is verify the script, regenerate the script if I want, edit, modify things in it if I want to, and click on convert video. And I do that quickly and easily for all the videos that I have created. 2 seconds to do it, or you can mass convert all these videos, all these scripts into videos as well. And once that is done, AI will start putting together video content, putting together slides, putting together images, and converting those images into videos and creating a full video for you to preview and render immediately, which takes about a second or two to do it. And once that is done, it's super fast to get those videos rendered and published. Now, with ContentReel26, you can create hundreds of videos every single day and publish on your TikTok, on your Instagram, high quality AI animated, AI generated videos with your character in it, custom character or your own character in it, talking, walking, speaking in your own voice, in your own style, and promoting product or service that you want it to promote with your own call to action. And you're publishing hundreds of these videos, so you're outperforming your competitors by a mile, and nobody can come even close to you with the amount of traffic you can generate, the amount of traffic you can send to your websites, to your affiliate links, to your booking pages, and you can even sell this as a service. Now, as you can see, the slides are being generated, and in just a few minutes they will be generated and we can preview the video. As you can see, all the videos are generated. All we have to do is click edit to preview and customize it if you want. We can add more images, videos, colors. We can add background images, videos, and colors. We can add more text layers. We can change the voiceover. We can change the narration that's going on. We can upload our own talking head. We can replace that. We can add a background music. We can add animations and transitions. We can add an intro and outro credit, which could be a logo intro or whatever you want to add. We can turn on captions, and we can add captions on all the videos that we want. We can control the voiceovers volume and the background music or background audio's volume. And again, we can add our call to action if you want to edit it, and we can add our logo and watermark on these videos as well. Especially watermark is useful when you're doing it for a client. And as you can see, all these video clips are AI generated and super high quality. These are not stock footage. This is really good. And once we are ready to go, we simply click on render, and video starts rendering. Now we can do that same for all these 3 videos. Once the video is rendered, AI will automatically schedule this video for you, and you can see all your scheduled video over here. Now, that's how ContentReel works. It's super easy, it's super powerful, and it's super fast, and the quality is incredible. There's nothing like this out there. The quality that ContentReel26 generate is out of the way. And the best part is we use the latest video generation technology, and you don't need to enter your keys or APIs. Everything is included in your account. You don't have to pay for anything extra, and you simply just log in and start creating videos, start customizing, and start publishing those videos automatically on your social media and start getting tons of traffic. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.